The past weekend was like Christmas morning for 600 people in the city of San Juan. They gathered round the sporting arena, receiving emergency cash aid for the first time since the March lockdown. 99-year-old Crisanta Marasigan broke into tears.
Salamat po ng marami.
Like Lola Crisanta, factory worker Mar Del Rosario was not on the list when doleouts were given in April and May under the Social Amelioration Program. The SAP was under Bayanihan 1. This latest tranche of emergency cash is from Bayanihan 2.
Wala ako sa listahan. Opo. Wala nung una sa pangalawa. Nabisuan po kami na may pagkakataon na po kayong makakuha kasi nga may pangatlo. Nagbaka sakali po kami.
Close to 5 billion pesos in emergency cash aid, more than 1 billion pesos for livelihood. That's a fraction of the 200 billion pesos allotted during the early days of the pandemic. But the steward of that budget, the DSWD, says this fresh aid targets a wider group. Seniors, those quarantined needing funeral, anything that's emergency. Bayanihan 2 is a better template with no more long queues and overcrowding. Bank transfers and door-to-door cash delivery are options for the elderly.
Yung challenges po noon ay naging learning experience po. Kaya as you can see, observing strictly the health protocols, we are now providing the programs and services under Bayanihan 2.
San Juan is the first batch. More cities this week until December 19, when the law expires. Because the DSWD says it will beat that deadline, money for many will come this Christmas. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.